In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store to your website seamlessly. Whether you're starting fresh or expanding your existing site, turning it into a fully functional storefront is more straightforward than you might think. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your website's main menu. From there, find the section labeled Pages. This is your starting point for adding new content to your site. Within this section, you'll want to locate and click the plus icon, which signifies adding a new page. Once you do that, select Store from the options provided. This is where your e-commerce journey begins. As you set up your store page, you'll see a variety of pre-designed layouts to choose from. These templates can be a great starting point, allowing you to visualize how your store might look. Don't worry too much about the specific style at this point. You can always adjust and customize the layout later to better suit your brand's aesthetic. In the meantime, it might be a good idea to keep this new store page in the Not Linked section. Doing so means it won't appear in your main navigation, allowing you to continue building and fine-tuning it without any pressure of it being visible to your visitors. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, you can then link it to your main menu. Next up is choosing the type of products you'll be selling. Depending on your business model, you can choose from several options: physical products, digital downloads, services, gift cards, or even subscription-based products. Each type has its own set of features and requirements, so pick the one that best aligns with what you're offering. After selecting the product type, it's time to fill in the details. This is where you'll enter the product name, price, and a compelling description. Consider how to effectively convey the value of your product in the description to catch the interest of potential customers. Alongside the text, visual content plays a crucial role. High-quality product images can make a huge difference. So upload your own or choose from a selection of stock photos to best represent what you're selling. If your product has different options, such as sizes or colors, it's important to manage these variants properly. You can add these variations to accommodate different choices, setting individual prices and stock levels for each option. This not only ensures that customers have a clear understanding of what they're choosing, but also helps you keep track of inventory more efficiently. Finally, after setting everything up and reviewing the details, it's time to save and publish your store. Once you're satisfied that everything is just right, this step makes your new store live and ready for business. Congratulations, you now have a fully operational store on your website. As always, remember to periodically check for updates or enhancements to keep your online store effective and engaging. Happy selling!